Sewing the pocket to the senator wear is not the difficult part, but what most tailors are finding it difficult is knowing the exact measurement to use and how to position it properly before sewing it. Because if you make any mistake, the pocket can look awkward on the senator wear. So let's get started and I'll walk you through the process step by step. After preparing your pocket, the first thing you want to do is to arrange your shirt properly on the table, just like I'm doing right here in this video. Notice that I've sewn every part of this shirt together, so we need to be careful while taking the measurement. So after arranging the shirt properly, you are going to measure 9 inches from the shoulder level. This is the top of the shoulder right here. We measure 9 inches and the pocket will start from that 9 inches. So this is where the pocket will start from. Then from the center side, from the center line, you measure 1.5 inch. So the 1.5 inch will be from the zipper area or the center of the senator wear to the pocket. So you have this as the result. The next thing you are going to do is to cut your hemming gum. Cut your hemming gum like this, and then you share it into 2. So after sharing it into 2, the next thing you're going to do is to place it under the pocket. You are doing this because you want the pocket to be well seated in the area where you've already measured. So this is the positioning part. You apply your water if you are using a dry iron, or if you are using a steam iron, there's no need to apply water. Then make sure you get a fabric to cover it, because you don't want the clothes to be shiny because of ironing. So this means ironing in order to gum the pocket to the shirt. And you also arrange the other parts like this, as you can see me doing at the bottom, and you also iron it. If you are new to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also share this video to other tailors who will benefit from it. Once you are done ironing these parts, you remove the fabrics from the top, and then you put the other side of the hemming gum. You arrange it properly too on the part where you've not ironed. You can see me arranging it here. So you are doing all of this because you want the pocket to be well intact before sewing. If you are new to tailoring and you wish to master the art of tailoring within 7 days and sew your very first outfit, you can do well to join my masterclass, which I'm posting on Telegram. The link will be in the description box and in the comment section. The fee is just 5,000 naira. So click on the link and let's get started. So after ironing, you have this. You can see how strong it is. So the next thing you are going to do is to turn the shirt over. You are going to be careful while turning it over. And after turning it, you can see the mark of the pocket right here. So you are also going to place your iron on it in order for it to hold properly. And please don't forget, your subscription means a lot to me on this channel. If you don't know how to sew a pleated pocket, you can watch it on my page too. I have a video on how to sew this pleated pocket. So after ironing, the next thing you are going to do is to move to the sewing machine. And on the sewing machine, you are going to separate the back side. If you've not sewn your outfit together before, it will be very easy for you to sew your pocket. But if you've joined your outfit together like me, you are going to push in the back side, making sure the pocket area is touching the machine directly. So you can see there's no interference anywhere. I can see the machine directly from the neck. So you arrange it like this, and then you sew the pocket. While sewing the pocket, you are always going to check it, so you don't sew the shirt together with the pocket. And you'll be careful when you get to the curve area like this. You want to make sure everywhere is well aligned while sewing. If you wish to get some of the tools I use while sewing, the link to those tools will be in the description box and in the comment section. And please know that as an Amazon influencer, I may earn commission from qualifying orders. When you get to this rounded region, you want to also be careful, arrange it properly, and then you sew. So after sewing everything together, you are going to have this as the result.